Together we've come together as a community of family and friends to love and support Tami and Carlos and to witness their entrance into the sacred and joyous covenant of marriage and to celebrate their journey together.
I want to thank each and every one of you for being able to make it out for this very special occasion. We couldn't be more blessed to have such amazing friends and family to come out for this, to gather.
All right, well, me and Tami first met when I was about 16 years old. Met through a mutual friend. It was actually my best friend. His girlfriend was friends with Tami. A few months went by. We put a title on it. Yeah, she was my girlfriend. And eventually she had got pregnant with my first son, Tony. So once she was pregnant, we decided that we wanted to kind of get away from the city life and start something new. So we ended up moving down by her mother. I was thinking over it for a few weeks and I was trying to find her a ring. I know she didn't like gold at the time. She liked silver more, but my mom had gave me a ring that had been in our family. She had for a long time that my dad had gave her.
We had been together for a while. We had 2 kids and I was actually pregnant with my other. He told me that he had a surprise for me and he was gonna take me to he didn't tell me where he was going. He just said, you have to get up really early. So I was like, okay.
We started a life, we had kids and everything together, so I just planned to propose to her at South Mountain.
Carlos picked out the best woman in the world. I love Tami. That's my daughter. She knows. She's my baby. Love her.
You know, I didn't think he was gonna propose. And we got up there and he was super nervous. Okay. And it was so cute. And it was just perfect. It was perfect how he proposed. He got down on one knee. There wasn't that many people there because it was so early. And yeah, it was the sweetest thing.
Dictionary, aka Google, defines a hero as a person who is admired or idolized for their courage, outstanding achievements, or noble qualities. Tami, you are my hero.
Been a long time coming for Carlos and Tami. Maybe kid number 2, kid number 3, no, kid number 5 got the girl. Okay, let's lock this down. We can finally get married. Got the girl out of the way, but yeah, couldn't be more happy for them too. They like every relationship, they've had their ups and downs, but They've always come through it stronger.
You are the most hardworking person I've ever met. You are so strong and such a beauty. My brother is seriously the luckiest man on earth, for real. You know, I tell you that all the time.
These two have grown up together. They actually started so young, and I watched them through the years grow and mature.
You will someday be the matriarch of a beautiful, amazing, and very big family. And because of you, our family name lives on. I love you. I wish you and Carlos a long and happy forever.
I don't want the heavens or the shooting stars. I don't want gemstones or gold. I have those things already. I want a steady hand, a kind soul. I want to fall asleep and wake, knowing my heart is safe. I want to love and be loved.
You have made me a better person and the man I am today. You always push me to be the best, and for that I am grateful. You are an amazing woman, mother, and partner. You make me so proud every day, and I am lucky to be the guy who spends the rest of my life with you.
I am so lucky to get to spend the rest of my life with you. You are my best friend, and I couldn't picture my life without you. I feel so blessed to be a part of your family and to share this beautiful family with you.
Tami and Carlos, you have expressed your love and commitment to one another, and by the power vested in me by the Church and the state of Missouri, that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Carlos, you may kiss your wife for the very first time.
Think that they were going to make it. I really didn't. Until I went to Arizona. Carlos stepped up. He was a man. He was taking care of those children. Tami was working hard, and she would come home, and the love is there. And I know in my heart that they belong together.